Hi friends, today we'll be seeing the unboxing video of Ring Video Bell 2, which says like it is a wire-free video doorbell. To keep it simple, it's like cordless video doorbell. So it has two faceplates, like a light silver color and a black color. Works on any home, quick to install. So it says it has 1080 HD video, two-way talk, motion detection, lifetime purchase protection, I don't know what it is, but quick release battery pack and Wi-Fi connected are the features. Okay, here is a story. I'm not interested in stories. Okay, it says get instant alerts when motion is detected and watch over your property from your phone. Adjustable motion sensors, I quite don't know what it is, but probably we can calibrate the angle, and that's my presumption. Infrared night vision, this is one of the main things that drove me towards this one, like infrared night vision, because not just it's during for night or anything, but in what I presume is under low light conditions also this type of mechanism should help. On-demand video and audio, okay, and it says okay, answer your door from anywhere, okay, configurable motion detection and infrared night vision, and most of the things we spoke. Connects to your existing chime, but I bought a separate ring chime, so I'll be using this. Weather resistant design, of course more or less this will be in the front portions, so mostly like it will not be exposed to harsh weathers. And quick release rechargeable battery, probably they're just saying like there is an easy way to just get out the battery. And this is the pretty much packing of it. I'll not turn down because there are MAC addresses and those type of details, so I'll just hold off. Yep. And another one is the ring chime. I got a good deal when I'm getting both of them. That's the reason I got ring chime also. So it says multiple modes, do not disturb and volume control as the features available. And with ring you're always home. Chime plugs into standard power outlet and works with your Ring video doorbell to let you know when you have a visitor, even if your phone is in the other room. Okay, plug it in, set it up, and link your Ring doorbell. Okay, and okay, what's in the box? A Ring chime and a wall plug adapter. So these are the things in the box, and okay, let's go for it. Good, nice packing. Okay. Say hello to Ring. I don't know whether all these are publicity materials or manuals. Okay. This is a manual. It says about like it lets us know about charging, in-app setup, physical installation and features, and troubleshooting. Charge the provided battery. First fully charge the battery by plugging into the power. So first we have to charge up the battery and then better go for the installation. Okay, insertion of battery. Set up your Ring video doorbell 2 in the Ring app. Okay, this is connecting to your mobile app and the front end Ring device. Connecting to our Wi-Fi so that it's synced up. Recently I bought this garage opener, remote garage opener Chamberlain. So similarly it was like this, like an app is there and the setup had to be done and it syncs up with our Wi-Fi. So similar to that, install your Ring video doorbell on the wall. Okay, It says it's better to install 4 feet up from the ground so that the motion detection range is good. Okay, this is something that I was wanting to know, whether is it a ballpark or is there any guidance on what height the ring bell should be. Makes sense. Okay, if you want to remove your existing doorbell, install the diode. Okay, this is the physical installation. I don't think any guidance is needed for this because yeah, we can pretty much figure it out. But if you still want some information in terms of using this device much more securely and properly, yeah, you have the instructions if you want to use. Connecting the wires, attaching the wires, placing the screws. Okay, secure with a security screw. Okay, multiple things are there. After setting up your ring doorbell in the app, select it. Okay, this is the method for setting up the app. Answering your door, ring video recording, and troubleshooting. Pretty much the typical manual. I don't know if anyone will ever stick this out of their front door or porches, but they gave it if you want it. Okay. Some information about their call centers and customer support. Product warranty information in fine print. Only very few people will ever read it, but yeah, there you go, you have it. Okay, paintable to match to your home. Okay, this is the, okay, probably the holder. Okay, they gave us the screw set. Okay. I don't know. Okay. I'll have to check. And it has the installation tools. Okay. Yeah. This is the diode and everything. Like, they have given even a leveling on the leveling scales that we generally use. They have even given a leveling liquid one, and they have given us the drilling bits and the cables to connect and the diodes, screws, plastic washers and everything. Even they have given a screwdriver. So I don't know if really all these things are needed. Like, when I mean, like, are these needed in the sense, like, do they need to provide this and charges, or else they can decrease the price of the product by not giving this? Because say screwdrivers, screws, drilling bits, these are the things that everyone will have. So I don't think these are necessary, but just giving them to the customer and charging them more. I don't know if there will be any home without a screwdriver. Okay, angle brackets. Okay, these are the angle brackets. Like, okay, corner mount or a wedge mount. So these are the things like it was giving angle brackets. Okay, depending on your home. Okay, now they make sense. Okay, one is a corner mount, another one is a wedge mount. So there you go. This will be like the charging cable. Really good. When I say really good, it's sarcasm, guys. This is like really cheap stuff. I expect better, so that's what I was saying. Don't give this, but give a better quality wire. So that's what I meant to say. Okay, here you go. This is the device. Okay. Has an arrow to lift up probably. Okay, battery tips. This is the way to remove the battery cover. Okay, let me open it. small screws. Probably these are the security screws to use here. They have given two, probably one is a spare, of course one is a spare. And this is the setup button, and this is your actual keypad where the bell is placed. And here goes your camera. You wire into a doorbell transformer, connect to AC power, 8 to 24 watt. Okay. Okay. This is the battery. And here is another face cover. So if your exterior design is more blending with a dark color, probably you can go for the black. If you want to use the silver color, go for this one. So these are the two face plates they have given. Few more screws. Okay, got previous ring video doorbell. Use this plate to fix the existing holes so you don't have to drill new holes. Okay. If you have an older ring bell and if you are upgrading it to a newer one, so there is a difference in alignment of the screws. So you don't need to drill new screws. What you can do is you can fit this one on the old one so that the new screws go in and it can hold on like. This is a nice thought, I would say, so that you don't end up spending more time. This is good. Okay. Aside. Okay. Now comes the ring chime. Okay. Let me open it. Only that. Okay. Okay. Here goes the ring chime. Pretty cheap stuff, like yeah, nothing else. You can just plug it in and you should be good to go. And there's a push. Okay. Even there is a ring chime setup guide. This is how big it is. What's the box? Power requirements, setup. Okay. Plug chime into the outlet and the ring logo on the front of the device will begin pulsing blue. Open the ring app and select the add device. Pretty much. However, nowadays we add device to our mobile apps and you control your lights and your smart plugs and all those, similar to that. Choose ring chime and follow the in-app instructions. Connect to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, Wi-Fi network. Select one or more ring devices. Yeah, pretty simple. Okay, there will be 3 states. Rapid blinking is scanning for networks. Slow pulse, Wi-Fi setup mode. Strong state connected to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, pretty simple. Okay, this is a pretty tiny guy. Looks funny, yeah. But this is it, guys. So I will record another video if possible for the setup of it, but I don't really feel a recording of video for the setup of this is really needed because it's pretty straightforward. But quality wise, I think this is okay, but this I feel is cheap. The charging cable is cheap, but what do we do? This is what it is. They are the market leaders and we have to go with it. So many of my friends also are using this, and I feel this is really helpful for the front door security. When you are not at home and you receive some packages and they are waiting on your porch, and say you are on a business travel, you are out of city for a couple of days, then it will be really helpful to let the packages be there, and if anyone comes up, this would automatically detect the movement and switch on the video mode, and you'll be able to record them. That way you can secure your front door and packages. And another thing is like if someone is wandering around in your front porch or front area, in those scenarios also automatically you can get notified and say your kids or family only is at home. It is a good security feature. I would say this is worth investing. Actually, I was thinking of one more thing, like getting 2 of these ring bells. One, I'll fix it in the front, of course for the front door, but I will fix another in the back porch area where I have one more entrance. That way, if there is any movement there, instead of going for a security camera, instead of installing a wired camera, or instead of installing anything else, I can use the same thing. Yes, no one will come on the back side of the home and ring this bell, but my proposition is not to ringing the bell from there. My proposition is to, this is a well-proven, trustworthy product. Use this to capture the motion detection feature of this, and if there is any movement in the backyard also, I can capture it, and that way I can be having good security around the home. One of my friend, what he did is like he installed one in the front door and another one in the side garage, means again near the garage entrance. So anyone wandering or any movement, it captures. So that way, I think this is a good security product to go for. And yeah, there are multiple similar products that have sprung up in the market, but generally I'm going with this because I believe, like, as it's a little bit proven product, the quality and the service should be really good is what my feel is. Some of the products like these attachments and everything, I expect it to be a little bit of a better quality, but that's fine. That's not a big deal breaker or anything. Main thing is the main product and the support and the functionality of it. So I feel it's a good investment, guys. Like, go for it and make your home secure with all the things happening, and stay safe. I'll see if I want to record anything further of this setup, but as of now I see no need. But have a nice day, friends. Hope this information helps anyone who is looking for the information on this before buying. Have a nice time. Stay safe.